Hello? Subscribe! Subscribe! Want more views? Well, you came to the right place. So, okay, we're struggling, we're desperate, you know, so now we're gonna do anything for the views. We're gonna go out in public and try to sponsor our channel here.
TeamAlleyCats?
That was supposed to be an E. The heck is this? Team. Oh no, I might have enough room.
I wouldn't try it.
I'm going to.
So screwed up. Is that a merch? You gonna sell that?
Yeah, I'm gonna just give it to some guy in the public.
That's alright.
Well, anyways, YouTube has red. Where's the red? Oh, I'm dumb. So, in 2019, this is actually how you,
promote yourself.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna write the YouTube logo on this crap.
I guess I don't know how we can make it better.
I know how to make it better. We need to have a sign.
Oh, you need to have the URL.
Yeah, we need to make a URL. Okay, hold on.
Is that part of the?
Alright, so, you know, the shirt might not stand out enough, so we're gonna write this crap on a sign. Big, bold letters. This is how we do it in the alley. Okay, alley cats. Yeah, I should have a can say donate to studio supplies. Team Alley Cat. That way it stands out more. Here, add the URL.
MLW. Go here.
No, I crapped it up.
It's alright. It's alright. No, you should make a Taco Bell logo.
Somewhere you want me to make the Taco Bell?
Oh no, like make a Twitter thing.
Okay.
Like this almost screwed up Twitter thing.
I'm almost scared to walk out in public like this. I should put on the Master Chief. How much is it for a golden play button again?
I don't know, like $1 million? No, I think that's silver.
Okay, here,
I'm
let
gonna
me
search it up.
fix the lighting. 1 million?
I think so.
And 10 million's the diamond. Okay, yeah.
There we go. We have TeamAlleyCats 1 mil.
The Reddit.
YouTube.
I'll make like a Twitter. How do I? I'm gonna mess this up so bad.
It's fine. Just go with your imagination.
Okay, so. God, how does the tail go? Is it up? Or is it? Oh, it's like down. Okay, so it's like. Is there little legs when he's flat, or is it just?
I don't know. I don't think so. Alright, go ahead.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're good.
Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Replace the I with an E.
Twittier.
Wait.
Proud to support TeamAlleyCats.
Okay. Oh wait, hold on. Before I... Where's the scissors? Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Alright, let's pick all these up. Oh crap. You got this?
Yep.
No.
Just tape it like right here.
Where's the tape at?
I'd be scared if I saw this in public.
This is a social experiment. Oh, hold on. Let me go grab the Fortnite pick. Or not the Fortnite pick. Minecraft. Subscribe to Team Alleycats. Stand like a far distance away from me.
Okay. This is disgusting. You actually look like a hobo, dude.
Oh my god. As you can tell, we're a Minecraft channel. Oh god, we gotta book it. I'm just gonna keep the URL to the house.
Thank God nobody's here.
Okay, we gotta set up a position. How's that staying? Subscribe to Team Alleycats. Should I just run past him?
You can if you want to.
Okay. Keep the sign here though, I need max.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay right here. You want a first person this crap?
No.
Here he goes.
God.
What
That
happened?
was so awkward.
Did you just walk by him?
Yeah.
Did he just stare at you the entire time?
Yeah, pretty much that's all that happened. But it was so awkward. Okay, we gotta make sure camp out position. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to Team Alleycats. Apparently this is what you have to do in 2019 to get subs. Hello? Whoa!
Okay.
Hello, world! Subscribe! Woo! Oh! We gotta get to the highest points in the world. To sponsor our channel. Give 10,000 likes if you want us to climb Mount Everest. No, but seriously, we'll do it. Subscribe!
Yo, you should yell it louder.
Subscribe! Subscribe!
Go to this URL if you want to subscribe to our channel. And that's pretty much it. You can also follow our Twitter.
No, our tweeter.
Our tweeter, right? We have 1 mil. And yeah, we're on YouTube, so. Jesus. This is something straight out of Call of Duty Zombies. Dang, he's gonna outrun all the bullets at Area 51 with that. Good.
We're gonna have the sign facing the street, actually. It's hard. It's hard to get subs in 2019. It's hard, especially if you're a Minecraft YouTuber and your heart is full of Minecraft. Oh. So, other beginner YouTubers, that would be step 1. Do pretty much exactly, or try to replica exactly what just went down in the park today. Just try to replica something like this. You know, label your channel name, have the URL just in case someone takes a picture because you think you're a crackhead. Over-specify how many subscribers you got. Make sure to sponsor other social media sites of yours. And also, last but not least, make your t-shirt.
Yeah, that's the most important stuff right there. Make a t-shirt.
No, I think I like looking. Subscribe to TeamAlleyCats. Yeah, pretty much. That's another successful day. That's going down in the books. That's how you start our YouTube channel in 2019. It's gonna be going on 2020 here, so might have to update this video. But stay tuned. AlleyCats, subscribe, like this video. If you did enjoy, maybe leave a comment down there. That's always nice. We generally get like 5 or so likes per video. So, I mean, we're kind of famous in the small world right now. That's almost like 500 or something like that. So, anyways, thank you Techno for recording this video. You had to go through that pain. It's hard. It's hard to start a YouTube channel. Again, like, subscribe, comment down below if you did enjoy. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye! Yeah! Subscribe to TeamAlleyCats. John Wick. I'm John Wick.